cleanest way to remove and patch holes from this unused satellite dish on side of house? We have a satellite dish attached to the side of the house from the previous owner, and it's unused. As it's sort of an eyesore, we'd like to remove it. What is the best way to do this? It seems straightforward to get it off the wall. It's at head level, but what should we do with the holes left behind? I'm not sure what the composition of the siding is, or the composition of what is beyond the siding. What's the appropriate product for filling that hole? Also, the cable goes up under the gutter into the attic above the garage. It's possible I might be able to pull it up. But I'll have to look at the access I have. I suppose I might be able to just cut it at the gutter level as well. Looks like a simple job, but just want to make sure I've got the right idea before going out and buying supplies. Question from user Gamma Point at Stack Exchange. Answer. Once you remove the dish, you can simply fill the holes with silicone caulk. The key is to keep moisture and insects from getting under the siding. There are various colors to choose from. You're not going to get a perfect match, but those holes aren't large, so probably not a big deal. The cable can be clipped off at the soffit or pulled out completely. Answer from user Honeydew at Stack Exchange.